Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here. I'm just doing the eye makeup for New Year's Eve. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. First, I'm going to prep my eyelids and I'm just using a concealer. This is, I believe, the Hourglass Vanish concealer. It creates a beautiful base for your eyeshadows. My favorite palette I'm using today is the Makeup by Mario, the Ethereal Eye palette. I'm taking that peachy color and I'm just going to be setting my concealer in place so everything blends on very well. I'm going to take that beautiful tan color and this is going to be my crease shade, and I'm just going to apply it with this big fluffy brush, and I'm not precise at all with this color. It's just going over my lid and my crease area, and I'm taking it out a little bit more towards my brows. Next, I'm going to be darkening the outer corner. I'm going to take that beautiful burnt brown color from the same palette and I'm just going to apply it in the outer corner, and I'm just going to blend it. Blending is a key when you do a smoky eye, so start with a light color and build it up. You will have great results and beautiful eye makeup look. So just whatever it's left on the brush, take it and blend it towards your brows. I'm going to darken the shades even more. I'm taking that darkest brown in the palette and I'm just going to pack it in the outer corner first, and then I'm going to take that big fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend it again. As you can see, they blend so easily. They're very soft and buttery. I really love the formula of this palette. Everything is a perfection. I'm just creating a simple wing liner for this look. I usually skip this step because it's not my favorite, but for this look, I just wanted something different because I always do not do eyeliner. Next, I'm grabbing the black eyeshadow from the Huda Beauty palette and I'm just going to smoke out the lower lash line. And I'm also going to take this black on top of the eyeliner that I used because I felt like it wasn't matte for my liking. So I just did that. This is a trick if you have a shiny eyeliner. I'm taking that black eyeshadow again and I'm just going to place it just where the eyeliner is, just very gently. I'm not doing a lot of this because I don't want it to look very black smoky eye. And I'm again going back to that fluffy brush just to make everything soft and blended. I didn't show you the color, but I chose that the darkest glittery shade in this palette. I just applied it all over my lid. And I took this color actually closer to my brows as well, just a little bit to give me that glittery effect. And I'm just touching up the edges so it's not too glittery on my black shadow. Next, I'm going to take this lighter one and I'm just going to place it in the middle of my eyelids just because this has more glitter in this eyeshadow. It's so beautiful and reflective. I'm going to take that beautiful vanilla color and it has so much glitter as well. Like, it's so pretty. So I just applied it in my inner corners. And next I'm applying some lashes and I'm going to touch up the band as well with the same liner. I don't remember the name of these lashes, to be honest. They were in my drawer sitting in a package. Yeah, they're just too dramatic for me, but I will change them at the end of the video for a different pair. I'm just using Bourjois Kohl liner. This is in the shade black. And I'm going to take that middle glittery shade from Mario palette. And I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line just for an extra glitter. I'm just going to touch up my lashes with some mascara. I'm taking the darkest brown shade in this palette and I'm just going to apply it in my inner corner just to give me that beautiful elongated eye look. And I'm just touching up my bronzer because I've had this foundation for a long time. So I'm just touching up my bronzer and a little bit of highlight. I use the Dior palette. This is my absolute favorite. This is the shade 001. And I'm just going to apply it with my finger. And I mainly use the pink shade. It's so pretty. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I wish you a happy new year. Stay safe, and I will see you guys in the new year. Bye.